Hi guys, Andy from CryptoDesk here, and today we are going to talk about a project called Trust 10. And of course, we are going to do a scam check because we are in the crypto business to make money and not to lose money. I guess you agree, okay? So let's see. Basically, they say earn 10% daily for 15 calendar days, okay? And I'm just gonna show you the math. They say the trade. I can show you here. Basically, they say trading digital assets is Trust's 10 primary business activity. Okay, so if they can trade like this, let me show you. If they would just take an investment of $500, yeah, after 5 months they would have $986 million. Okay, so after 5 months, if they can really trade like this and they just have $500, okay, they can invest the $500, and after just 5 months they would almost have 1 billion. Yeah, does this sound good to you, or maybe too good to be true? Just think about it. Why would they ask for your money? And even they don't ask you to pay any fees. So they're just very generous people. They don't show their faces because I don't know why, because this is very suspicious. But if they can make in 5 months out of $500 almost 1 billion, why would they need your money? Okay, think about it. Then next thing is, you can see here they say they have almost 4 million funds deposited. Then if this is the case, why don't they show the contract address? Because if they would show it, for example, it would look somehow like this. Let's say we could check it ourselves. Then you would see here, this is the number of dollars that is in the contract, and we could also check all the transactions. But of course they don't do it. So the first red flag is they don't show the contract, and of course the contract has also not been audited. Okay, so first red flag. Then, is there a legitimate business model behind this? The question is, I mean, if they can trade like this, I showed you before, after 5 months they turn $500 to almost 1 billion. I guess this sounds too good to be true. Yeah, I guess you agree. So there's no white paper. A white paper would explain, okay, how exactly do they trade? What kind of business do they do? How can they really how can this be sustainable to pay people 10% daily? So that's crazy. Yeah. Next red flag. Then of course, I mean, if they are so generous and they can help you make so much money, I guess they will show their faces. So there should be a KYC. That means that we can really see who is behind this project, show the names, show the faces and all of this. But of course, guys, there's nothing like this. Nothing. Yeah, they're just hiding behind this project. They don't show any face, any name, nothing. Because I can explain to you, this is just a Ponzi scheme. That's why they, for example, say review the project on your YouTube channel or Telegram channel, and then they will pay people some money. So it's just a Ponzi scheme. Yeah, they just say, I mean, for sure they will not offer me anything, because I will tell you I would never invest in a project like this, because it's just a Ponzi scheme. But they need new people coming in, yeah, and the deposits of the new people will pay the rewards of the existing people until they decide to just drain the contract. Yeah, that means they're gonna rug pull. Because the contract has not been audited, they don't even show you the contract address. We don't know if there are any backdoors. Let's say they can just drain the liquidity out of the contract, and at any point when there's enough money, they will just take the money and run. And anyway, yeah, why would they even offer this if they can be billionaires in 5 weeks, 5 months, if they just have $500? Yeah, if they would have $600 or $700, they would be billionaires even earlier. Yeah. So guys, if you ask me, just red flags here. Always do your own research before you invest your own money. But if you would ask me, I would not recommend to invest in this project, because it will just disappear in a couple of hours or days. We will see. So yeah, that's my opinion, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.